up YouTube, it's your boy Speedy46 coming to another video, and thank you guys for tuning into another video. I truly appreciate it. If you guys clicked on the title, you know what we're doing today, you guys. We are finally going to be putting on a rear carbon diffuser on the M4, and I'm super excited to do it, you guys, because the rear end looks too stock. We got to throw some type of swag back there, you know what I'm saying? We got to put our little touch on it. So we are throwing on the new carbon fiber diffuser with the square brake light. I think it's going to look super insane. I had a similar setup on the Q60 when I did have the Q60, you guys, and I think it's going to look good. And also, I want to go ahead and say this too. We finally got a new camera, so please let me know how the quality of the video comes out if you guys like it. I'm super excited to start vlogging on this because now I feel like I can give you guys more professional videos, and just everything's gonna be a little bit more crisp, and the volume and everything should be a lot better. So make sure you guys tell me down in the comments if you guys like the new camera setup, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we just got to my dealership, so I gotta move out all the cars real quick so we can get access to the lift. But yeah, show you guys what we have in inventory. Got a Q60 2021, 2019 Q60, and then a 2020 M340i. And I got this stick shift one owner 370Z for sale. So yeah, man. Cool. So hit me up if you guys want to buy some cars. But yeah, let me move out all the cars real quick, and then we'll bring the M4 in and start working on the diffuser. Alright guys, now we got the M4 in here. Go ahead and pop the trunk so I can show you guys the carbon diffuser. Because right now the stock diffuser, you know, it's actually not bad, honestly. Like, this looks actually really good from a factory stock car. It looks great. But as you guys know, man, I can't keep my car stock. So I'm gonna be doing all the aero pretty soon. But today we are gonna be doing the carbon diffuser. Sheesh, look at that. Man, the gloss carbon, so fire, bro. That's gonna look so much better on the car. Let me go show you guys in the sunlight real quick. Hold on. Man, look at that carbon just busting, bro. Carbon is so fire. I love it. It's gonna look so much better on the car. The gloss black, factory gloss black. So cool. So let's get started on it. I'm gonna wire it in too, so hopefully everything comes out good. Alright guys, so now that I got all this taken apart, actually very easy, not hard at all. So there's a screw hidden back here that I showed you guys when I was in the time lapse. Actually not bad, it's really not that bad. Everything's really cool. There's a little piece right here you just basically pull up on, and then you have access to these bolts. But now, so we're going to be tapping into the harness for the tail light. I'm going to do a little bit more research to know exactly which wire we're tapping into, and then once I figure that out, I will tell you guys exactly. So after doing a few research and figuring it out, so what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. What we're going to go ahead and do it is your brown wire on the headlight. Focus. Your brown wire is going to be the ground, so that's going to be the black. Okay, so brown goes to black. Your green, okay, green and yellow or bluish, whatever. Green is going to be the power for your brake lights, so that's going to be yellow. Okay, so yellow is going to go to green, and then the purple is the actual tail light power that's always on when the car's on, and that's going to be your red. All right, I'm going to wire it up real quick so I can show you guys. How it looks after I wire it up. My camera is just not. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. So I'm gonna wire it up real quick, and then you guys will be able to see it after it's done, so you'll see exactly which one is which. All right, guys, so I got everything hot wired in. We soldered everything in. Just to go show you guys everything. So we have the purple that goes to the power, as you can see, which is the red. And then we have the brown, which goes to the ground. And then the green is going to be your yellow. I put yellow tape there so you guys wouldn't get confused. That's going to go to the actual flashing when you step on the brake. So that's how I did my wiring. So yeah. Alright guys, quick little update. So what I'm doing, this is some old like boost line or whatever. I just routed it down underneath the bumper and I basically routed it down here. What I'm gonna do is I'm basically just pull the wires up. I'm gonna zip tie them together and then I'm gonna pull it all the way up. That way it's up here. And then what I'll probably do, I'll probably make a connection down here so that if I ever have to remove the diffuser, I'll be able to just disconnect from right here. But yeah, cool.
A few moments later.
Boom. Just like that, you guys. Just pull it right through. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna put everything back together, test it out, and make sure it works. But we should be good to go. Alright guys, got the tail light back on there. I'm about to test out the light real quick, just make sure everything works. Oh, perfect. Nice. It's staying on consistently, whatever the headlights stay on. I'm gonna step on the brake real quick. Alright guys, and there she is. There's the finished look. Dang, that looks good now. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Look at me. Sheesh. TEs, bro. That's super clean, bro. So now all we need to really get are the extensions now in carbon fiber, which I do have that are on the way. And then the other piece that I did not know that the diffuser did not come with, this top portion. Let me show you guys. So this top portion is not a part of the diffuser. So you have to buy this separately. And I didn't know that. Or I wish the person I got it from told me that, but they did it. So literally I have to still get this piece in carbon, which I didn't know, which is kind of expensive. And then I do have these on the way, the carbon on this way. And then after that, I got some planned for the rear trunk. Bruh, just wait, you guys. Slowly but surely, like it's already clean right now, slammed to the ground on the TEs, but slowly but surely, bro, about to make this thing look good, good. Can't wait, bro. Can't wait. So fire, bro, so fire. But honestly, you guys, I'm really happy how it looks. Like, it looks really, really good right now. I'm just gonna get the additional pieces for the car. So I gotta get the extensions, and then I gotta get that top piece that is carbon fiber. I didn't know it wasn't one piece, but hey, it is what it is. You learn as you go. And then I got something coming for the rear, you guys. Something coming for that rear. That rear end, I can't wait, you guys. All right, guys, so we just got to the car wash right now. I'm gonna wash the M4 real quick. And after I wash it, I'll show you guys how the diffuser looks. But so far, you guys, this thing looks crazy. It's looking crazy. I love how it looks already. Man, I got so much more coming for it. Can't wait to get the extensions on the rear bumper. That's gonna definitely look good. And like I said, you guys, we got something in store for the trunk that no other M4 has done so far. So we'll see how it comes out. Sheesh! Hey, you guys, look at that thing. Looking like a snack, bro. Oh my goodness, all freshly clean. Got the new diffuser on there, looking great, bro. I really love how it looks, man. I really can't wait to get the corner extensions, cause I feel like that's gonna complete the look. But man, that looks so dope. Love how it looks now, man. Love how that looks. So fire, bro. Can't complain, man. Can't complain. Let me go ahead and show you guys the fitment too. Fitment is pretty solid. It was kind of tough to put it on. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. It's just like you gotta kind of really push it. You're not gonna break the carbon. Hopefully you don't, but yeah, you just gotta really push it on there. But other than that, bro, I really like how it looks. I feel like it completes this front, this rear end with the quad tips. God, that looks amazing. That looks so good. Aired out, slant to the ground too. Freshly washed. Oh gosh, bro, I'm loving the M4 so far, you guys. Still got a lot to do though. Like the front end, bro, this front end is so stock, bro, but it still looks great. But I can't wait to start really doing stuff to the front end. New grille, front lips, side skirts, everything, man. And I got something I want to do with the front hood too, so we'll see how that comes out when I get to it. But so much more to go. And hopefully the camera is picking up how clean it actually looks in person. because, bruh, I'm telling you guys, this thing looks fire. But the rear diffuser, definitely a great addition if you're gonna get something. I feel like no one really has the square brake light, and I think it looks sick. I honestly think it looks sick. Man, bro, so fire. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. It definitely helps out the channel, and I'll make sure to leave the link down below if you're trying to get the same diffuser I had. Like always, your boy Speedy Corey 6, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.